You turning the heat on me, so I'm like it. Call out the engine, ring up the station. I am on the spot.
The Southwest patty melt with jalapenos, pepper jack cheese, and spicy Santa Fe sauce.
Love burns you up the most, like it or
The
not.
classic just got a whole lot hotter.
Baby, I like it hot.
The Southwest patty melt. New at Carl's Jr. and Hardee's.
We got called out to fix the potholes. We'll be done before lunch. Right after lunch. All good, man. Maybe a little overtime.
Sometimes you need 3 times the bacon. The Super Bacon Cheeseburger. Only at Carl's Jr. See Man of Steel in theaters June 14th.
To look this hot in a bikini, I gotta give up, like, everything. But there's no way I'm giving up that teriyaki burger. I'm totally obsessed. I have to be a little bad. I call it my bikini burger.
The Carl's Jr. Teriyaki Burger with grilled pineapple. More than just a piece of meat.
I had a love-hate relationship with Philly. I love the food.
Theo! You suck, Theo!
But the fans hated me.
Hey, Theo!
But now with the Philly cheesesteak on a burger, I get all the love and hold the hate.
The Philly Cheesesteak Burger on a fresh baked bun at Carl's Jr. and Hardee's. Now there's a new way to go all natural. With natural hand-picked mushrooms and natural Swiss cheese on grass-fed, all-natural beef with no added hormones, no steroids, and no antibiotics. The Mushroom and Swiss All-Natural Burger, only at Carl's Jr.